Today we're going to be working on a Dodge Caravan 2019, a Fobik, using the AutoProPad. Let's get started. We connect it to the OBD. We know that this is the right key because the vehicle turned on. This should be really fast and simple. Let's power up the AutoProPad. So this is going to be really fast and simple. So we're going to go to Chrysler. We're going to agree to the terms and conditions. You see the immobilizer light blinking there. Once everything is done, then the immobilizer light is going to turn off. Now, normally this AutoProPad light reads the pin. So let's do that first. We're going to identify the vehicle, which we already know. We're going to do yes. We're going to go into the system. We're going to read the pin. The pin is 4483. And then we're going to go back out, program blank, switch ignition to off position, insert the key and switch ignition to on position. (4483) blank 4483. Four keys has been programmed. System is complete. The immobilizer light is off, as you can see. Now we're going to turn it off and turn it on. There you have it. Let's see if the remote works. Thank you for watching.